Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Notion, Monday, and Asana. We'll explore their core functionalities, identify key differences in project management features, and help you determine which tool best suits various team sizes and needs. By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding to make an informed decision for your workflow, whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise. Let's dive in and find your perfect productivity partner. Notion stands out as an incredibly versatile all-in-one workspace. It offers unparalleled flexibility for notes, wikis, and databases, allowing you to build bespoke workflows from scratch. With hundreds of templates and endless customization options, it's ideal for teams seeking an integrated knowledge base and a highly adaptable environment. If you value complete control and a unified platform for diverse tasks, Notion might be your best fit. Monday.com and Asana are powerhouses for structured project management. Monday.com provides intuitive visual dashboards, making project tracking and team collaboration straightforward with its colorful interface. Asana, on the other hand, specializes in detailed task management, offering robust features for complex projects, dependencies, and clear deadlines. Both platforms are designed for efficient execution and accountability, ensuring your projects stay on track from start to finish. To make your final choice, consider your team's primary needs. Do you prioritize ultimate flexibility, visual project tracking, or detailed task management? Evaluate the pricing tiers, which typically range from free plans for small teams to comprehensive enterprise solutions. Most importantly, test each platform with a small project or a few team members to assess the user experience and integration capabilities. This hands-on approach will reveal the best fit for your unique operational style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.